So special drive by Lucknow Police, RPF and JRP, a joint operation against the illegal Rohingyas and Bangladeshis are happening in the state capital. If you see the visuals out here, the operation is on in this particular matter as the police officials at this area, the railway station is right there as you see. The trains moving from one place to another while they are residing right on the left side of this particular station. As you see in the visuals that policemen are checking the Aadhaar card, IDs and whatever they have got as an official document. The guys are checking out here to ensure whether no Rohingya or Bangladeshi must exist here, must remain here, and that's why they are making this particular drive happening around this particular place. As we spoke to a lot of them, they were claiming that they belong to either Amethi, Raebareli or Barabanki. They say they haven't even from Assam. But as per Yogi Adityanath's order, CM of UP, he has clearly said that the special drives will be happening against the Rohingyas and Bangladeshis. Though as far as the investigation is concerned, when police teams and RPF, GRP Jawans interrogated them and asked them questions about their locality, about their presence, they clarified that they have got the Aadhaar IDs of the nearby districts. As you see, they have been living in these particular huts. But another question which arises is that how they are getting the electricity when the stay is illegal. But another point out here, if they are residing here and they are the people of here and working here, then they can stay here if there is no such problem with anybody else. That's what the government take in this entire matter as well. So the drives are happening all across Uttar Pradesh, all across Lucknow, and though no Bangladeshi has been found yet, action is on in the state capital and state as well. With cameraman Sandeep Dubey, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.